is he saying, dude? I don't speak Taco Bell.
Mira, pendejo, ¿por qué no agarras una de esas pinches llaves grandotas, güey, y te las metes por atrás? Una
What
vez
doesn't mean I know what the f you're talking about, pal.
Si no me das un cuarto limpio, güey.
This is English land. We speak English.
Ven aquí y enséñanos nuestros cuartos, güey.
All right, that's it. That's it, you son of a
Estoy
bitch.
harto. Vamos a bailar.
Walk
Órale,
it
güey.
in.
Vamos, vamos.
We're walking
Órale,
in,
güey.
kid. Hurry it up. Blah, blah, blah. Taco, taco, taco. Come on. We're on hotel, man. What bunch of clowns?
Bienvenido al motel de payaso, donde tenemos aquí un pendejo, payaso, idiota. Dame mi cuarto, güey.
What's he saying? Sounded kind of mean. I used to own the clown motel, but now I'm nothing but a clown.
Yeah, get the f out of here. This is our motel now.
I'm walking out here. Yeah, I'm walking here. Move it. I'm leaving the hotel here. Come on.
All right, dope. Can we have a room for 3, please?
Hell yeah, dog.